Be blessed by the divine. With the explanation I have given, you should be able to visualize the heterogeneous complexity of the physical body, the life force, biomagnetism, and the coordinated network of all these as designed by the cosmic consciousness. Let us go further. By the conversion and consumption process of biomagnetism into electricity and chemicals, the elimination of a certain degree of pressure, sound, light, taste, and smell from and within a body is continuously occurring. This elimination takes place according to metabolic procedure, but mainly through the respective five senses: skin, ears, eyes, tongue, nose, as well as through thought. The outgoing waves of electricity and chemicals spread and mix with the atmospheric field surrounding the body. This is the process of physical transformation of biomagnetism, naturally common to all living beings. According to the magnetic, electrical, and chemical intensity, as well as the quality of the living being, the degree of this elimination may vary from time to time from one species to another. The wave of physically transformed biomagnetism will go on spreading in the atmosphere at its own rate of speed and merge with the universal magnetism. On the way, if there is any one of these five results radiated by any other mass or living being, the two will clash with each other. At this point, the wave reflected to a living being activates its transforming process of biomagnetism and causes it to raise its present conversion level to cope with and resist the oncoming wave, resulting in pain, pleasure, peace, or ecstasy. Be blessed by the divine. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com to begin your journey of consciousness today.